Prime Minister Narendra Modi today said with the observance of the Veer Bal Divas, a new chapter has begun in the Amrit Kal of the country's independence. Prime Minister Narendra Modi has said that the India's youth are the most important partners in the country's development journey. Home Minister Amit Shah paid his respects to Guru Gobind Singh IV Sahibzade and Mata Gujri Sahibzade and Mata Gujri on the occasion of Veer Bal Divas today. A total of 116 COVID cases have been reported in the last 24 hours in the country. South Africa wins the toss and elects to field against India in first test of Freedom Trophy series in Centurion.